Hello, today we're going to change the dome light on a 2008 Ford F150. When you take the dome cover off, you got to kind of pull back and push it forward. Because the tabs, see the tabs? The hook's on over top of there on the front, and over top of there on the back. We're using a Sylvania 578 bulb. See the bulbs burn out. The old one and the new one. Put it in, it's gonna light up. Boom. Got light again. I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put the cover back on. It'll slide up over those two tabs in the back and the one in the front. It'll just push up. It'll click in. Good to go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Tails. Come here. Say bye. Bye.